I'm Kyle. I'm a software developer at Axosoft. Today I'll be giving a general overview of what a Git repository is. Git is a version control system. It keeps track of changes to your files over time. If you're not familiar with Git, you probably have experienced a version control system at some point. Maybe this sounds familiar. You're working on some file, let's call it a.txt. And then when you're done with this file, you think that you have your final version. You're going to name it something like afinal.txt. So this is actually a legitimate version control system. You're keeping track of versions of your file over time. This kind of sucks though. It's not very manageable. You're creating a copy of the entire file every time that you have a version that you want to save. So this is where Git comes in. If you're using Git, and you would use this through either the command line or some kind of Git interface, once you're using Git with your project, Git is going to go ahead and put a .git folder within the root of your project. This is the Git repository. This is going to keep track of all the versions of your file over time. So it's also helpful because you can revert to previous versions. Let's say if you broke something, also the Git repository keeps track of the location of other repositories, either on your team's machines or on github.com. And you can then pull and push versions of your project to one another. So if you delete this .git folder, something important to note is that the only version that you will then have of all of your files are the versions within the files at that point in time. So all of the version history is gone once you delete this .git folder if you don't have it pushed to GitHub or anything like that. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.